We will need more engineers in the public service to drive these efforts. I spoke about building up engineering capabilities across the public service at the Institution of Engineers in February, and will provide more details today. First, the public service will employ an additional 1,000 engineers this year, which will grow our current pool of some 7,700 engineers by more than 13%. About 70% of these 1,000 additional engineers will support our infrastructure development needs, including transport and water systems. The rest will support our Smart Nation efforts. Public agencies are also now in the process of studying their medium-term engineering manpower needs and are working towards building up a sustainable pool of engineers in key engineering clusters in the public service. Second, we will raise the salaries of our public sector engineers to attract and retain engineering and ICT officers in the public service. Salaries for engineers and ICT professionals vary across different public agencies today. Some of our agencies are already paying salaries that are largely competitive with the market, while the salaries in other agencies lag significantly. We will review our salaries regularly to ensure that they are competitive with the market. In specific areas, we will pay a premium for engineers with skills that are in high demand and short supply, such as cyber forensics and malware analysts, or those with niche skills that are critical and specific to the government, but for which there may be little market demand, but we still need them and they're critical to us. But improving pay is not enough. So third, we will offer our engineers good learning and development opportunities to build deep technical expertise throughout their careers. We will start by developing competency frameworks for engineers from 7 public agencies, such as the PUB and HDB, in the second half of 2016. This framework will articulate the knowledge and skills that our public sector engineers require as they progress in their careers. Our engineers can use this framework to identify their own training needs and develop expertise and mastery in specific areas. So we hope to have many more engineers of the type that Mr. Liang Eng-hua talked about. People who love their jobs, who thoroughly know their jobs, and who can serve the public very, very well. In addition, we will build on existing programs that agencies have in place for technical specialists and make a more concerted effort to identify and develop engineers with deep technical expertise to take on key scientific, engineering, and technical leadership positions in ministries and public agencies. They will be given greater support in their career development and growth. For example, mentoring by senior technical experts, working on exciting interagency engineering projects, and networking across the engineering community. Fourth, we will establish centers of excellence for key engineering knowledge clusters, building them around agencies which already have a strong base of engineering capabilities. These centers will aggregate key capabilities and build deep engineering expertise in critical areas of need. They will support other government organizations, optimize scarce engineering resources, and invest in R&D to build cutting-edge engineering expertise. Taken together, these measures will attract more Singaporeans to take up engineering as a meaningful, fulfilling, and exciting long-term career in the public service and deepen our public sector engineering capabilities over time.